Sobrang saya ng experience namin. Marami kaming natutunan to Carla. She's a wonderful person inside and out. And talaga namang this experience is a once-in-a-lifetime experience.
Sobrang saya po. Sobrang maaalala ko palagi na kasali ako sa ganitong event. Tapos nakasama ko si Carla.
Yung day ko with Ate Carla and the other girls was very nice and sobrang saya. Di ko in-expect na sobrang bait ni Ate Carla. So, outgoing and easy to get along with and she's so pretty.
Well, di ko nga namalayan na ilang oras na pala yung nakakalipas. Para kasing yung kasama si Carla, parang ang bilis kasi hindi kami naiinip doon pa lang sa dining namin sa restaurant. Talagang napakatotoo niya. So natural siya talaga.
Unang-una, I would like to say thank you to all the girls, to all our Palmolive girls out there who sent us letters. Maraming salamat po sa mga letters na pinadala ninyo. Umabot po sila sa akin, nabasa ko po sila. Who knows, maybe this isn't the last time, di ba? Pwede pa po kayong mag-send ng letters to me, to Carla, through our Palmolive Naturals fan page on Facebook. Mag-sign in lang po kayo dyan. I-like nyo lang po aming page. Ayan. Tapos, I hope to meet all of you someday. Keep using Palmolive Natural Shampoo po. And thank you for all the support.